Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Basecamp account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is how do you adjust your notification settings in Basecamp? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, a real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to adjust your notification settings in Basecamp anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business managing a lot of different projects, you may be getting notifications that just aren't relevant to you. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Basecamp dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Basecamp, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and adjust your notification settings, here on the top right, you're going to click on your profile icon. Once you do that, look for this blue line called change your notification settings. Okay, once you do that, you're going to go line by line here, and you can adjust your notification settings. So here you can get notifications for everything, or you can change it to only notify you when someone sends a ping or at. Next, you can turn off reminders if you want. So if they're green, that means they're on. So I'm going to go ahead and uncheck these so I don't receive reminders about upcoming events or upcoming assignments. Next, you can choose how you want to receive notifications. So if you want these to go through email, you can leave this checked as green. I'm going to turn that off. And then for the pop-up notifications, I like that. So I'm going to leave that on. So that way, when I'm logged into my Basecamp, I'll get pop-ups notifying me of notifications. And lastly, you can go ahead and set a schedule on your notifications. So if you leave it always, they're always going to send notifications how you chose up here, email and pop-ups. But for me, I'm going to go ahead and turn it on during work hours. So Monday through Friday, 9 to 5. And then I work on Saturday also. So I'll go ahead and add that. And then you want to click on Save Settings. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to update your notification settings in your Basecamp, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.